Today I'll be singing a song. I've been walking with my face turned to the sun. Weight on my shoulders, a bullet in my gun. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, just in case I have to run. I do what I can, what I can, what I can for my people. As the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up. Take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones. Early in the morning, before the sun begins to shine, I'm gonna start moving toward that separating line. I'm walking through muddy water. You know I got a made up mind. And if I lie, if I lose any blood on the way to salvation, while the skies roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up. Take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. And I know what's around the bend might be hard to face 'cause I'm alone. And I just won't fail. But Lord knows I've tried. Stars that been the sky. Stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, I have freedom calling. Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones.
All right, just me. Great performance from Cary Ann. Cary Ann, what is the name? Cary Ann Brown. Trust me, no, look out for this female artist. She all her notes them a while ago. And not everybody can do this. All right, so we're moving on to the first judges. What do you think about Cary Ann performance? Arrow General. Yes, Arrow. Ara General, what you think about her performance?
Check. Yeah, Cary Ann, bad singer. Give thanks for being here and being a part of 100% talent, you know? We're glad to see you forward out. You know what I mean? Yeah, your vocals, them, we love your vocals, them. We can say you have whole heap more for go and whole heap more for doing our music. You see me I deal with you. You're at a young age right now, and your future look promising and bright. You see me I deal with. So just continue, work on it. It's an original song that, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, sound very good. Manners, million.
All right, so you hear from the man himself, Ara General. All right, Keisha Las Vegas, what do you think about Cary Ann performance just now?
You know what? I was just busy getting, what do you call it? Goosebumps. Because what I thought of when I heard her voice was potential, nothing else. Potential. I know as she gets older and she's guided the right way in the right studio, you know, she doesn't need that, what I say, like a cocoon, you know, to become a butterfly. So I really see great potential in her, and definitely I'm excited for her to be a part of this show.
Okay.
Wonderful work. It was really nice. We didn't say music to your ears. It was lovely.
All right, boy, may I tell you, Mr. Nero put on one smile on Fee face. Fee smile gone weird on our part. So, Nero.
All right, so my smile come with another studio contract for her because I listen to her tone of voice and she have the falsetto of them good. You know what I mean? But falsetto. A little bit more of the gut sound would be better. And I see a lot of potential, so me need the artist there. We need the artist up on the production.
Trust me, she remind me of Alicia. She just remind me of Alicia Keys.
So yeah, man. So before she go, we're gonna meet up with her. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with her, and then we just do the necessary transactions and stuff. Cause me see a bright future for her right now, right now. You know me full of ideas. So yeah, man, big up.
All right, so Cary Ann, we are tell you, people to make sure to vote for her. Keep her in the competition because this is her first audition and we like how she sound. All right, so Cary Ann, big up yourself, and next time, hopefully to see you